Hello there. So I'm back at the property with the angry bushes, the angry pricker bushes. Bernard's here by himself today. We're going to be swapping out all the landscape lights and the transformer and potentially a couple other things. But let's run over here and see what's going on. I'm removing this old rusted out transformer so we can put the new one in. One major issue, outside of the fact that this thing is like rusted away completely, but other than that, there's no GFI protection. And you want to make sure that any low voltage landscape lighting has GFI protection on the primary side. Not only that, but you want to make sure it's very well supported, so I'm cutting another unistrut stake to add some support. This unistrut bracket wasn't built for this job. I'm just cutting a piece off. It was actually for an inflatable Santa Claus on a lift we had for Christmas. I've had it on the truck for a while. I've been waiting for a time. I needed a short piece so I could use it and recycle it.
Oh, yeah.
Bernard's laughing about that 1-inch thorn I got in my knee.
Tack bushes.
Don't worry, he feels the pain in a minute. I mean, I'd like to have a conversation with the electricians that thought that putting a transformer underneath the worst pricker bushes you could imagine was a great idea. Alright, so I'm going to go right in here. No. Yep. Let me get something to neon. I keep forgetting.
This one.
These things are treacherous.
That might go right through that.
Yeah, it'll go through that. See, look, here's one right there.
Yep.
That one, and then...
A few inches away from it.
Look at that. Nature's barbed wires everywhere in here. Treachery. Straight treachery. My legs freaking killing me.
They should start making these with stainless steel.
I think they do. They're just expensive.
Spring lock. What they call it?
Spring bolt, yeah. Anything else in there? That'll work. Yeah, put that on this.
I don't want you to break it though.
No, it's sturdy. It's good.
Perfect. Perfect. Yep.
This bell box here is for that GFI I was talking about. So I'm just going to pop a few holes in the back so I can run some self-tappers into the unistrut to mount the box. You got the third? Okay, you got the third one with the little knockouts?
Yeah.
Perfect. Why is it that they never give you enough of those little threaded knockout seals? It always seems like you're looking for another one.
Yeah, yep. Oh wait, those aren't self-tappers, are they? No. This is so thick.
Heavy steel?
Oh, I threw them in the, hang on, I got it in the bubble cover. I threw them all in there.
Right here.
Yeah. Come over here. Oh, okay.
The wind just slammed the gate behind us. And Bernard's worried about them attack gators again.
They only take a little bit from me. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. That's if you allow them. I ain't gonna allow them. Be on the lookout.
You can be on the lookout.
Yep.
And for all you naysayers out there, it might look a little crooked, but I guarantee the transformer and box are level. That one unistrut hit a big heavy root, so it's a little bit canted off to the side. But it's nice and sturdy.
Solid.
Plus, I doubt anybody's going to be crawling underneath these pricker bushes with a level anytime soon.
My neck's strict. Just want to make sure it's going to fit.
Sometimes when you have the connector coming in the side of the box like that, I can get in the way of the GFI, but not in this
And
instance.
I usually do a solid a little bit past it, so it bends a hook past it.
Pulls it on it, right?
You know what I'm saying? You go just a little long on it.
Plus, Bernard grabbed the deep bell box from the supply house, so there's plenty of extra room in there. Right here, Bernard's just mounting the in-use bubble cover.
Well, better that they're safe. You know what I mean?
Better safe than sorry. I just got neck for me.
You got one?
Put it all over.
I think there's bougainvilleas. Is that what it is?
What's
Oh,
these?
look at that one daggone right over your head.
Man, they keep talking, man. Gee, look at this corn.
Those ones are sharp. Here, let me whack you with it and see, and you tell me if it hurts.
Ow! Yep, it hurts.
Would you want these bushes?
No.
No.
This is a really beautiful yard, and there's definitely gators in that little lake, but we didn't see any this time either.
All right. Got it powered up. It. One stuck in my finger.
Here we go again.
Look at that. Ow! One stuck in my ankle. Look at that. Little guy right there. Look at that.
Don't worry, it hurts a lot worse than it looks. Now it's time to remove the busted Par 38 light fixtures and install the new ones. The old fixtures are made by Hubble, which are really high quality, and we got the exact same ones to replace it, except for a little nicer. The ones we got are all aluminum with stainless hardware. The old ones were fiberglass, and that's why they broke. The fiberglass got old and brittle, and the landscapers bumped them, and they snapped right off.
These wire nuts.
Yeah, I got these ones.
Okay, nice.
Bernard got the wire nuts that have the dielectric grease, and they're made for damp locations like this, so they'll hold up for a long time.
transmission, I want to use your nut driver. Oh, I mean, I'll use my appliance.
What's that now?
Give me the appliance for me so I can.
For a second here, I thought Bernard was losing his mind and looking up for rain when it's a nice sunny day out.
You feel some rain or something?
Nah, I just see like we end up coaching it.
Is this the one? Oh yeah. Always look for and for the spear. See that spear over there?
Yeah.
That's the thing you don't want.
Cause that come down up here.
Mm-hmm. There, that spear. It weighs about 50 pounds and it's sharp and hard. And if that hits you, not good.
Once again, I'm telling Bernard, who grew up in the islands, about palm trees. Pretty sure he could teach me a thing or two about them.
I already got some of these.
Oh, that's
I made
cool.
you.
I see. So what again? And then wire nuts? No brainer.
The only drawback to these wire nuts is the silicone dielectric grease gets all over your hands when you tighten them up.
And I also make it so that my wire nuts point towards the sky when I put them down in.
Yeah. So it's hard for the water to get in.
Yep. I got both there. Actually, I might have got that at Lowe's.
Those got a lot of good stuff.
Mm-hmm. All right, Bernard.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, you want to fire it up?
Sure.
Good to go. You want to kick it off?
Cut it off?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Working perfectly, as expected.
What type of tree to use this?
I'm not sure what kind of plants those are, Bernard. If any of you guys out there know what it is, let me know in the comment section because I'm curious. Pretty cool looking. I think that was the homeowner. Out with the old and in with the new. The thing you see Bernard screwing on there is called the permapost cap, and we got to reuse them because that's part of the piece that goes into the ground. Gazoon tight. At first right here I thought Bernard had that fixture pointed at the wrong tree, but he showed me a picture and he had it right.
Just replace these landscape lights head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so we're just wrapping it up over here. Got all these landscape lights working. Got that new transformer in. And the customer does have quite a bit more work they want us to take care of. We just went over some of that, but that'll be on a different day. And I'll make sure you guys get to see that. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.